Visiting the parish of the Holy Sacrifice inside UP Diliman was a really refreshing experience. Pagpasok mo pa lang, mapapansin mo na agad yung simple pero elegant na design. Kahit nasa loob siya ng isang busy university campus, parang nawawala yung ingay at stress sa labas. Ang tahimik ng paligid, and you can really feel a sense of calm habang nagdarasal o kahit tahimik ka lang na nakaupo. What makes this church even more special is its historical and cultural significance. Known for its iconic architectural design and the works of 5 national artists of the Philippines, the church is recognized as both a national historical landmark by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines and a national cultural treasure by the National Museum of the Philippines. It was designed by the late national artist for architecture, Leandro V. Locsin, whose innovative circular design changed the way church spaces were envisioned in the country. The project's structural engineering was led by Alfredo Wino, helping bring Locsin's unique vision to life. Because of this, the church is not only a place of worship but also a masterpiece of Filipino architecture and art. Whether you're there to attend Mass, admire its world-class architecture, appreciate its rich history, or simply spend some quiet time with yourself, sulit po talaga ang inyong pagpunta. Ma-appreciate ang ganda ng ating kultura at pananampalataya. Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat.